In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set up a payment gateway like Paystack or Flutterwave on your website. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola Shumariwa and I'm the video of Your Concept. This is the module 9 of our free web design course. In our last module, we designed a full e-commerce website. However, we are yet to set up our payment gateway to enable our website to start receiving money. In today's video, we're going to be setting up our payment gateway to enable our site to start receiving money even while we are sleeping. So we have a lot of payment gateways that we can integrate to our website, and some of the most popular payment gateways are PayPal, Stripe, and the others. However, if you're in a country like Nigeria, you might have difficulty setting up this kind of payment gateways because they are not available in Nigeria, which is why we'll be integrating the Paystack payment gateway to our website. Bear in mind that with this method I'm going to be showing you in this video, you can set up a Flutterwave payment gateway also on your website. So without further ado, let's dive right in.
Okay, first you have to log in to, you have to head on to paystack.com. So paystack.com. And as you can see, this is the Paystack dashboard. So this is what we'll be integrating with our WooCommerce website in order to enable us to be able to receive payments whenever anyone decides to make payments on our website. So we have two different types of accounts that you can create with Paystack. You can create a beginner's account, so which doesn't require too much verification. So, and the limit on this is that you cannot collect more than 2 million naira on this. So, but for the business account, so you have to provide some details so that you need to verify your accounts like CAC and all those stuff. So you can actually choose another payment gateway. They are that are less, if you are planning on going for a large scale stuff and you don't want all these verification and a lot of verification like CAC, all this stuff, you can choose Flutterwave. Okay, so the registration is also similar. So I'll just show you how you can go ahead with Paystack because I've been using Paystack for so long. So that's why I trust them and I use them for all of my transactions. So you want to go ahead and click on create free account right here. Okay, so now what you see, this is all you will see right here. So you will see Nigeria, you fill in your country, whether you're from Nigeria or anywhere you are from. So these are the countries where Paystack are available. All right. So then you enter your business name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, password, all this stuff, you fill it up. Now, you can see here, they said starter business and registered business. So you want to click on starter business if you have, you can just use your NIN to verify this. Like it is very, very simple. The process is very, very simple. But if you select registered business, this means that you are registered, you have your CAC, you have your business registration ready to proceed with this particular one. Then once you are done, you can select no, I am not. All right. So then you click on create my account. So after that, it will prompt you up to the next page where you can verify your NIN or verify whichever ID you have that you can use to verify your account. Then once you are done, you'll be able to log in into your account. So I'm just gonna log into my account right now to show you the next step and the next thing we are gonna do for us to, first of all, test run our website, and secondly, to paste our main integration on our website. So this process is very, very simple. Let me log into my dashboard right now. So to log into my dashboard, all I'm gonna do is just to open another tab here and just click on paystack.com, and I'm just gonna click on login right here since I already have an account with there. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on log into your account right here. And that's it. So this is my account. As you can see, if you ever check all time, you can see I've received more than 358,000 naira with Paystack. So these are, most of the time I do receive direct transfer, but people choose to make payments online. So you can see this is how much I have used with Paystack. So now all you need to do now, there are two steps involved. So we want to test whether the key is actually working. If you want to test whether your product, you can buy a product, there are two ways you can go about it. We have a test key that we can copy to our website WooCommerce, and we'll be able to make dummy payment. Like we'll be able to make payment, all right, and test it out whether it's really working. Then after we've tested it out, we can now come back and use the normal live public key that we want to use. So what you want to go do is come over to settings right here. Okay, want to come over to settings, and then you're gonna come over to these API keys and webhooks. Now, all these details are very, very confidential. You need to protect your details right here. You need to protect all these details. All right. So these details is very, very necessary. This is what we'll be copying to our website, and this live secret key and this live public key. It's all we'll be using, and also we'll be changing this live web book URL. All right, I'll tell you every single thing how you can go about it. All right. So, but if you want to test our website, we want to check whether what's it called, whether the product is working, whether our site is working, okay, whether we can integrate with Paystack, so whether the payment is really going, then you want to come down here to test secret key. Okay, test secret key. This is what we'll be pasting to check, to cross check whether it's working. So what you want to simply do is to come over to your login to your admin dashboard. / you can always go to your dashboard in the name of your website / /admin, then you log in with your password and your and I'm gonna click on login, and that is that. Then you want to come over to WooCommerce right here. So we want to come over to WooCommerce, then come over to settings. Okay, then once you are here on the setting, on the settings, you want to come over here to payments. Okay, so now we have different types of payment gateways that are available. All right, so you can use Stripe, Alipay, all this stuff. Now we need to first integrate Paystack plugin so that we can we'll be able to see Paystack right here that we can use. So I'm going to go over here to plugins, then click on add new. Then you want to search for Paystack. Okay, so Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. Then you click on install now, and it is installed. Then you want to click on activate, and it is activated. Now we'll come back to WooCommerce, then we come back to the settings. Then once we are here, we want to come over to payments. Then scroll down, and you are going to see that Paystack is now here. You want to activate it right here. Then once you have activated your Paystack, now you can now sign up for a Paystack account and get your API keys. We are already signed up, and we have our API keys. So what we want to do is also come over here and click on manage. Now once we are here, we can easily set up our Paystack right here. We can easily set it up right here. So now we can see we have the test mode currently enabled. All right, the test mode is currently enabled, so we can easily paste our test secret key right there and the test public key. So I'm gonna go back to my Paystack account. Okay, then I'm gonna copy this. As I copy it, I'll come back to Paystack. I'll come back to my WooCommerce. Then I'm gonna click on test secret key. Then click on paste. Okay. Then I'm going to go back again, and the test public key, I'm going to copy it right here, and I'm going to go over here, then paste it also right here. And then once we are done, you can see all this stuff that you can set up right here. Okay, so we have enable Paystack, debit, credit card, make payments using debit and credit card. Okay, you can, you can write more, you can write something more. Okay, like this, like make local payments using your debit or credit card. You can write anything you want to write there. Then payment option, you can select one, so they can select any of the payments. So I will leave it at select one. Then autocomplete order after payment. So if you want that, you want it to autocomplete order, then remove cancel order and restore cart button. So speed payments, all these stuff you don't need them. So you just go click on save changes. Okay, so our changes are already saved. So I'm going to try to buy something on my website right now to see, because it is still on. Make sure that you don't use your test live key. All right, test key. You don't leave it on test key, because if you leave it on test key, people will be able to make payments on your site without paying. They will just pay. They won't pay anything. It will be, they will buy everything for free. So I'm just gonna come to the water section right here, and I'm going to add this Zem water to cart. Then I'm going to click on add to cart. As you can see, I already have some things in the cart already. It is showing how many stuffs I have in my cart. All right, I have 3 items in my cart, so I can just view my cart right now. And as you can see, these are all my carts. If you have any coupon code, there's a way you can create coupon code. Maybe later on I'll show you guys how you can create coupon codes, all right, and give it to your customers. Maybe you are doing bonanza that they can use for them to actually make payments and get, and get a discount on your product. So if you click on proceed to checkout right now, okay, you are gonna see that we now have this right here. Okay, we have this right here, which is the Paystack payment gateway. We can now place our order. Right, so we have to input all our details: first name, last name, company name is optional, street address. We can remove all these. All right, we can remove this, but this is actually important. So because if you are using a kind of product that needs address of people that make payments so that you can deliver your item to them, you want to make sure you put street address, their town and city, their state, their phone number and email address. All these are really very essential. So I'm just gonna fill up the details temporarily, then I'll place the order so that we can, test run whether. If you have been getting value from this video, please leave a like on this video right now. All right, go ahead and leave a like on the video. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop into the comment section, as I'll be responding to all your comments in the comment section. And also, if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. What we simply do on this channel is to empower people with the necessary skills that they need to start making money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified immediately we drop lessons upon lessons that will be valuable to you. So let's get back to the video. This is really working or not. So customers can add additional notes or information. Okay, then I'm gonna click on place order right now. And it's going to start loading the Paystack payment gateway. So as you can see, it's saying use any of the options below to test the payment flow. At it being we have pasted the live public key, it is going to be showing us the real one right here. So I'm gonna click on card. So it said use any of the options below to test the payment. I'm gonna click on success. So then I'm gonna click on pay. As you can see, the payment was successful. Okay, the payment was successful, and as you can see, this is what your customers will actually get. Thank you, your order has been received. The product details, the total of their product, billing address, all this stuff. So now you get an email notification that okay, so customers has made a payment of so for this particular product. Then with their details, you can reach out to them and sell and tell them that okay, this is they will receive their products in so time, or or reach out to them. You will drop their WhatsApp number that okay, or reach out to them so call and any other means for you to deliver their product to them. It's very simple as that. So now what we're simply going to do is to place the real one. Anybody can just come to our website right now and just make dummy payments. All right, so now if you want to put in the real one, the real deal, So just come over back to your so this is your Paystack dashboard. Then you want to copy your live secret key and your live public key. So I'm gonna, you want to this I button, click on it. So then you're going to, for security reasons, you need to enter your password to view your live secret keys, right? So you're gonna enter your account password. Then you click on continue. Then it will display. I won't be displaying this right now. Okay, so then you want to copy this. Then once you are done copying it, just come back to your WooCommerce. Okay, then you want to uncheck this test mode right here. Uncheck it. As you can see, once I uncheck it, the live secret key is now showing and the live public key. If it is enabled, the test secret key will be the one that is showing. So I'm gonna uncheck it, and I'm going to paste the live public key right here, live secret key. Then I'm going to come back and copy the live public key also. Go back to WooCommerce, come here and paste. Then we have that also right here, and I'm gonna click on save changes. And as you can see, the changes are saved right now. So what we simply need to do is to come over back to our website and just go back. So as you can see now, it is now saying we should enter our card number and our card details to make payments. Okay, so if I come over to everything, okay, and I pick this particular product, for example, I want to make payment. I add this to cart, click on add to cart, and I click view carts. Okay, I click on view carts, and this, I click on proceed to checkout. Then I click on, you can see 34 naira. I click on place order now. It's not going to be able to, unless you make payment, you make real payment. So you can see now, I have to fill in my details before I can actually make payment. So whenever you fill in your details, whenever anybody make payments, it will be showing your Paystack, and Paystack will actually pay you out into your account details that you've provided. So maybe like after 24 hours. Do you understand? So that is all about how to integrate the Paystack payment gateway onto your WooCommerce or e-commerce website. So the Flutterwave account also, if you want to use Flutterwave, the same way we install Paystack payment gateway plugin. So you just install the Flutterwave payment plugin, then you activate it. The same way we have done, the process is similar. So you can use any payment gateway, PayPal, any of these things. If you have access to the accounts, if you can use them. But majorly in Nigeria, all right, so we don't have access to PayPal or Stripe. So that's why we use payment gateway like Paystack and maybe like Flutterwave.
All right, guys. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to design a sales funnel and also how to create custom emails for your website. I made the video of your concept, and I'll see you in the next one.